Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to your 34th lecture of English Grammar of Essay 2. And our today's topic is textbook exercise of lesson number 3, negative sentences. So all of you open your textbook, lesson number 3, page number 16. Let's do the exercise of lesson number 3. Open a textbook, page number 16, put the date of today, write CW on it and do exercise with me. I hope you have written the date and CW on the textbook, page number 16. Let's start the first exercise, learning exercise. What is the heading of the exercise? Tick right the correct sentences and cross the incorrect ones. It means that which sentences make a correct. If they are correct in form of negative sentences, we tick them in the given box. There is a box given after the sentence. There are 12 sentences in this exercise. So, if the sentence is correct, we will put tick sign in the box, and if they are wrong, incorrect, then we'll put cross after the sentence in the box, right? So, let's start. I not like to read storybooks. Is it a correct formation of the sentence? If we use not with I, then what is the possibility of at that time? We use, if it is in a present tense, then what we have learnt about the present tense? Yes, we use do not have or do not, right? So here what is the correct form of this sentence? I do not like to read storybooks. But here we have given here, I not like to read storybooks. So if you want to cross out the sentence, you can cross out it. Okay? So cross it. Binita does not play with me. Binita is a singular form of a feminine gender. Girl, she is a girl. And the sentence is in a simple present tense form. And we have learnt that if the sentence in a present tense form and the noun or pronoun represent the singular form of, then what can we do? Yes, we use does with it. So here we have given the sentence, Binita does not play with me. Is it correct or not? It is correct sentence. So we will put tick. Understand? Whenever we do any exercise of the textbook of the particular lesson, we just revise all the rules. So according to this lesson, just remember, just learn the rule, then you can do any exercise of this lesson very easily. Let's move on. The next sentence, the mice do not run after the cat. Is it correct form of the sentence or not? Correct. Why? Because mice is a plural form of mouse, and with the plural form we can use do not. So it is a correct form. I have written here, I have put the cross, but here the sign of tick is actual answer, right? Next is Hari does like nomads. It is right answer? No. Why? Because after Hari does is at a proper place, but after does we'll use not, not no, right? So we can write Hari does not like maths, but we cannot write Hari does not like no maths. So it is a incorrect form of the sentence. So we'll put cross. I repeat again that in third number we have to put the tick. By mistake I have put the cross. So just do it properly. In your textbook, put a tick on a 3 number. Next is we do not eat meat. We refer the plural form of pronoun, right? Then is it correct form of negative sentence or incorrect form? It is correct form. So what will we do? We put just tick. I do not like spinach. So it is a correct form of sentence or not? Yes, it is correct form of the sentence. Now I hope then you understand how can we do the rest of the sentence of this exercise, right? Now you get the answer by self. You just think about yourself. They do not go out much. Is it correct form or incorrect form of the sentence? It is correct form of the sentence. Next is Pooja knew not swimming. Is it correct form? No. Why? Because in this sentence the helping verb is not there with not. So it is an incorrect form of the negative sentence. So it is an incorrect sentence. Next 9 number is I do not play the guitar daily. Is it correct form? Just think, whenever you attempt by self, you have to just with I in the simple present tense. Just look out the form of the verb. Verb is in a simple form, then we understand that it is a simple present tense form of the sentence, right? And at that time, if we want to make the sentence in a negative form, then we'll move on the noun or pronoun of the sentence. What is the noun or pronoun of the sentence is I. Now just think about, with I in a simple present tense, what can we use to make in a negative form? Yes, of course, do not. So that's why this sentence is correct form of the sentence. Understand? This is the way you can make a sentence in a negative form, or you can identify the sentence if they are in a correct formation or not. Understand? Let's move on. Number 10. Gautam not sing does well. Is it correct form? No, it is not correct form. Then what will we do? We cross out it. I do not watch cartoon shows. It is the next sentence. 11 number sentence is I do not watch cartoon shows. So it is correct form of the sentence or not? It is correct form of the sentence. So we'll put tick. Okay. And the last sentence of the exercise is my father does not like noodles. Yes, it is also a correct form of the negative sentence, means we'll put tick. Okay. Now we will move on the next exercise, the practice exercise. Exercise A. And the heading of the exercise is choose the correct option. Now let's see. In this exercise we have given some MCQ. The questions are based on MCQs. They have 4 options. All the sentences have 4 options as the answer. We have to just tick out the correct one, correct answer. Same as the MCQ, right? Sonu dash surprised, right? Now just think about Sonu is a singular form of the noun. Then what will be the correct answer? Do not, does not, is not, or am not. So we understand that do not is not valuable for the answer, right? Am not is not we refer as answer. Now is not or does not. So what will be the answer? The answer is not. Sonu is not surprised, right? Okay. Now let's move on the next sentence. Minash dash an Indian. Now we know that it is a singular form of the noun. Now what is the answer? Do not, no, does not, no, am not, no, is not, yes. So is not is the answer in a second number. Number 3, dash open the window. Here just remember the rule when we use what we use with the phrases, means the small sentences. What can we use? Yes, do not. So what will be the answer? Yes, do not open the window. Number 4 is Deepak dash plays football. Deepak dash plays football. Here plays is there. Then what will be the answer? Do not, does not, is not, or am not. What will be the answer? Yes, does not. So one printing mistake is in this question is the not plays. So S of plays, you have to cut out the S of plays. Only play. When we use does not, then at that time verb with the root form. So cross out the S and the answer will be Deepak does not play football. So cross out the S of the plays, right? Next is the painting dash beautiful. The painting dash beautiful. What will be the answer? Now guess it by self. Yes, the painting is not beautiful is the answer, right? Now let's move on the next number, 6th number. Abdul and Imran dash brothers. How many persons are there? 2 persons. Then can we use do not? No. Does not? No. Is not? No. Then what will be the answer? Answer is are not. Abdul and Imran are not brothers, right? Next is this curry dash tasty. This curry dash tasty. Do not tasty, does not tasty, is not tasty, or am not tasty. And the answer will be is not tasty. Understand? Next one is this clock dash show the correct time. Clock is in a singular form of the noun. Then what will be at that time? Do not, does not, is not, am not. Just think about it. Yes, does not. And just look here. After does not, we use the verb without SES, means with its root form. That's why I have told you to cross out the S of plays in number 4. So the answer will be of this sentence is this clock does not show the correct time. Okay. Now let's move on the next sentence. Number 9. If you are on the new page of the textbook, then you have to write the date and CW on each and every page of the textbook for your understanding that or at what date we have done the textbook exercise. So please write the date and the CW on each and every pages of this lesson. Next is Rebecca dash like sweets. Rebecca is a person. How many persons are there? 1 person. Then what will be the answer? Just guess it. No need to show to see the options have given there, right? We just understand that with Rebecca 2 options are there, is not and does not. Then what will be the suitable and does not like sweet, right? Next is the Sharmas dash live here anymore. Here Sharmas refer the full family of Sharma. It is a surname. Sharma is a surname and the Sharmas refer whole family of this particular surname. The Sharmas dash live here anymore. So in a family member, how many persons are there? More than, it obvious more than one person. So what will be the answer? Is not no. The answer will be do not live here anymore. Next number 11 number is elephants dash eat meat. Elephants. How many elephants are there? They are in a plural form. Then what will be the answer among these options? Yes, do not will be the answer, because elephants are in a plural form and eat refer that it is in a simple present tense. So we use do not. Next 12 number, water dash have any color. Now just look here, water is uncountable noun. We cannot count the water. Then what will be the answer? We count water as a singular person. So we write here does not have any color. So this is the exercise A. Now we will move on the next exercise, exercise B. Arrange the words in correct order to make sentences. Here we have given some words, right? Jumble words, as we have done same exercise in a lesson number 2. But here the sentences would be in a negative form. So same by applying same rules we done this exercise, but only just keep in your mind that these sentences of particular this exercise would be in the negative form of the sentence. So what will be the first number? Let's see. Come, Pratik does to us, not with want. As we know that if we want to make a sentence, meaningful sentence, what will be the subject part? Maybe it's noun or pronoun. So what is the noun is in the sentence? Pratik. And as we know that this is the negative sentences exercise, so yes, we arrange it in a negative form. Then Pratik, then we use does, then not. So we get the first part of the sentence, Pratik does not. Now what is the action of the sentence? Come. Pratik does not come, then no. Here Pratik does not, then want or come? Want to come with us. What will be the answer? Pratik does not want to come with us. Understand? So this is the way we can arrange the words in a negative sentences. It is meaningful negative sentences. Next is football, play, I not do. Then what will be the answer? I do not play football. It is very easy to arrange it, right? Now next one is my cousin not Roshmita is. Now you understand what will we do? Yes, we will put Roshmita as in a subject part, then we use is not, and then my cousin. So what will be the answer of this sentence? Roshmita is not my cousin. Next is the is a useful computer, not device. Now what is the doer part? What is the subject of the sentence? The computer. So we'll write the computer as a subject part, then is not a is the next part of the sentence, and then useful device. So what will be the answer? The computer is not a useful device. Understand? So this is the way we can make negative sentences. Next is my grandfather walk cannot support without. Now we understand what is the subject of the sentence. Obviously my grandfather. So my grandfather is the subject part. Then we use cannot. Then what is the verb? Walk without support. So what will be the answer of it? My grandfather cannot walk without support. Next is for wait, not me do. This is a phrase. So, and here we have given the clue. Whatever the first word of the sentence is given as a capital letter. So, we understand that we have to put them in a first part of the sentence. So, here we have given do in a capital letter. So, we write do not wait for me is the answer. Understand? Let's move on. The next sentence, cook not he does. Now we understand that if there is no noun in the sentence, we just find out the pronoun. And what is the pronoun in the sentence? He. Then what is the helping verb? Does. Then not. He does not cook. This is the answer of this sentence. Next is reading like do they not comic books. Now yes, here if we are getting confused, that at that time just focus on that which word is given in the capital form. So we understand that it is the first part of the sentence. Here they is given in the capital form. So they would be in the first part of the sentence. With they we use do not. Then like or reading, like. They do not like reading comic books is the answer. Understand? Next is German I not do learn. Again yes. Now just do it by self. It is very easy. I as the first part of the sentence, then do not, then learn, and then German. German is a language, name of a language. It is a proper noun, and that's why given German of G is in a capital form. Okay. Next 10 number is not sister my Sarah. Here only Sarah has a capital letter, and it is also a proper noun. So we understand that we'll start the sentence with Sarah. So Sarah is not my sister is the answer of the sentence. Okay. Next number 11, ice creams we do eat winter not in. Then now you just identify which word would be in the first part of the sentence. Yes, we. Then do not. Then eat. Then ice creams in winter. So what will be the answer? We do not eat ice creams in winter. Understand? So next, John not know does me. So what will be the answer of this sentence? John does not know me would be the answer of this sentence, right? Now this is the exercise B. Now we are moving on the next exercise. Exercise C. Change these positive sentences into negative sentences. Here in this exercise we have given 10 sentences. They are in a simple present tense form. So we have to make them in a negative form. Just revise the rule about the present tense. If the noun in a singular form, we use does not to make it in negative sentence. If the noun in a plural form, we use do not to make it in a negative form. Here Let's start the first sentence. Kushagra goes to office at 9 a.m. Just remember one thing is that when we use does not in the sentence, the noun with the noun, the verb always will be in its root form. So here we have written es form of the verb goes. So if we want to make this sentence in a negative form, we remove es from goes and just write go after does not. So what will be the answer of it? Kushagra does not go to office at 9 a.m. This is the way we write negative sentences in a simple present tense. Nandini speaks French. Now just think answer by self. Yes, some of you have written also the answer. Done? Let's start. Let's see your answer is right or wrong. Nandini does not speak French. So what will be the answer? Nandini does not speak French. Next is Ben is my pet. Here we have given helping verb already in the sentence. Then what will we do? We use only not to make it in a negative form. So what will be the answer? Ben is not my pet. Understand? Ankita writes beautiful poems. So what will we do? Yes, we remove S from the rights and write Ankita does not write beautiful poems. Next is I take Ben for a walk in the evening. Here I, with I, what will we use? Yes, do not. So we just put do not before take and after I. By using this word at proper place, we make the sentence in negative form. Let's see the answer. I do not take Ben for a walk in the evening. Next is my grandmother goes to the temple every day. Now let's see. Yes, same verb is here goes. My grandmother refers the singular form of the noun. Then what will we do? Now you can do this sentence by self. How to make it in a negative form? What will you do? Yes, first of all you can write my grandmother, then you can write does not, then the root form of the verb and then the rest of the sentence. So what will be the answer? My grandmother does not go to the temple every day, and then full stop. Just remember, whenever you write in any language, the first letter of the sentence and after every sentence you have to must put a full stop. It is a rule of the sentence, and you maybe from this time as a one exam paper or after the whatever the exam will be held, I'll cut the marks if you not put the full stop after every sentence. So be careful. Dia knows how to make a paper envelope. Now what will be the answer? Dia does not know how to make a paper envelope, right? Next is Mrs. Khare is our science teacher. We have given here the helping verb. So it is very easy for us to make it in a negative form. What will we do? We just use not with the helping verb and make it after the helping verb. So what will be the answer? Mrs. Khare is not our science teacher, right? Next is Ashu and Nishu are my friends. Again we have the helping verb. Then what will we do? We write not after the helping verb and make the sentence in negative. It is very simple logic when we have given the helping verb in the sentence, right? So what will we do and what will be the answer? Ashu and Nishu are not my friends. They go to school by bus. What will be the answer? They do not go to school by bus. So this is the exercise C. Now let's move on to exercise D. Make the negative sentences using the hints in the brackets. The first one has been done for you. In this exercise, we have to write the negative word, means not with the particular helping verb as per the sentence, right? And then we have to rewrite the sentences. Because of the lack of a space, I have not written the sentences again, but you can write the sentences in your notebook if you want to write. Otherwise it's okay, we'll just read as a filling the blanks. Okay, so we have to add the suitable helping verb with the not. So first one is we have given here, I dash read fairy tales. Read is given in the bracket. So what will be the answer? And the answer is given there, I do not read fairy tales, right? So this is the way and this is the example. So according to the example, we have to do the rest of the sentences. So let's start the next sentence. The girl in the yellow dress dash my friend. And what will be the bracket? B. So now just you have to just be careful when this type of bracket is given. B means what? Is MR, was where, right? So what will be the answer here? Is not my friend. Understand? So if we have written here B, then we understand the is MR or was where will be the helping verb. Let's read the next sentence. I dash another pencil. What is there in the bracket? Have is given in the bracket. So what will be the answer? Have you remember, if we use, yes, there are two answers of this sentence. Have not another pencil, and what will be the another and the most suitable? Do not have will be most suitable answer. So try to use this answer with have, right? And has. I dash cartoon channels. What will be in the bracket? What is there in the bracket? Watch. So what will be the answer? Do not watch. Birds dash teeth. Again have is in the bracket. So what will we do? Yes, do not have teeth. 6th number, we dash to school on Monday. Then what will be the answer? Yes, we do not go to school on Monday. Next is John dash a good swimmer, and the bracket is B. Now we understand that when the B in the bracket, yes, is not a good swimmer. So is, am, are, was and were is the helping verb of B, right? So let's move on. The next sentence, 8 number, my birthday dash on 16th June. And the bracket is false. So what will be the answer? Does not fall, right? Next is we dash in the class. We do not shout in the class. Number 10 is my sister dash taller than you. And what is there in the bracket? B is in that bracket. So what will we do? is not. Right? 11 number. Sumati's mother dash in our school, and the bracket is teaches. Sumati's mother represent the singular form of the noun, and teaches is represent the present tense, simple present tense. Does not teach. I dash mangoes. So what will be the answer of yours? Don't you like mangoes? Each and every person like mangoes, right? So what will be the answer? Do not love mangoes. So this is the exercise of lesson number 3. Do it in your textbook and just refer it. From the next lecture, we'll do the revision of S7 as per the paper style. I will upload the video as per the paper style, so you can easily understand that particular question, how to be attempt, how will you attempt the particular question. Okay, till then, have a great day.